So now let's see how we can work around with the Edge Distortion effect inside of HitFilm. So to do that, you need to go around under effects right here. And once you go around over here on the stylized section, you can see that Edge Distortion is an option over here. If I were to go around and bring it down over here on top of the layer, you can see that all of the layer beneath it will be affected with this particular effect. Or you can go around and bring it directly over here. You can bring in the effect directly over here on the clip as well. So let's just go around and click and drag it on the clip, and I can do that over here as well. Well, let me just go around over here and work around with this right here. So let me just go around and expand out the effect, and over here you can select out a preset right here. Like let's say for example, you can say grainy lines right here, just like this, and you can go around for live lines, you can go for squiggles and so forth, as you can see. If I were to increase around the distortion, you can see that it distorts out very much right here. So you can go around and control how much distortion you want right here. So this is what you can do. So you can go around and change around the distortion. You can go around with the scale of the effect as well, and then you can work around with the speed with which it changes over here in between the clip as well. You can go around and rotate this around as well in different angles, as you can see, and there's a bit of adjustment that happens right here. And you can also distort in a single axis as well instead of multiple axes. You can go around and simulate out half frame rate right here. So whenever you actually go around and play it around, then what happens is that it feels a bit choppy right there. You can also go around and work around with the edge softness right here so that the edges are a bit soft. So you can go around and increase this and decrease this out as well according to how you want right here. So this is how you can work around with the Edge Distortion effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.